Welcome to our countdown of Virginia, the top 30 places to visit. Known for its blend of rich history, stunning natural beauty, and charming small towns, Virginia is a state that captures the heart of every traveler. Today, we're taking you on a journey from the 30th spot all the way to our #1 destination, exploring both hidden gems and world-famous landmarks. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for your next vacation spot, this list will have something for you. Let's begin our adventure through the Old Dominion. Number 30, Mount Trashmore Park. Mount Trashmore Park in Virginia Beach is a remarkable example of environmental transformation built on a former landfill. Today, it offers 165 acres of green space, including 2 lakes, playgrounds, and walking trails. Families love the skate park and large children's area. Number 29, Virginia Aquarium and Marine Science Center. Located in Virginia Beach, the Virginia Aquarium is home to thousands of fascinating sea creatures. Visitors can explore interactive exhibits and walk through an underwater tunnel surrounded by sharks and rays. The center also offers outdoor experiences, including boat trips to spot dolphins and whales. Number 28, Chincoteague Island. Chincoteague Island is famous for its wild ponies and unspoiled beaches. This small island offers a peaceful getaway with charming bed and breakfast inns and seafood restaurants. Number 27, Luray Caverns. Luray Caverns in the Shenandoah Valley is the largest cavern system in the eastern United States. Visitors can wander through vast underground chambers filled with stalactites, stalagmites, and mirrored pools. The Great Stalacpipe Organ produces music by tapping on natural rock formations. Number 26, Norfolk Botanical Garden. Norfolk Botanical Garden is a lush, 175-acre oasis, showcasing seasonal flowers from around the world. Visitors can stroll along garden paths or enjoy boat and tram tours for a different perspective. The Rose Garden, Japanese Garden, and Butterfly House are among the highlights. Number 25, Appomattox Courthouse National Historical Park. This historic site marks where the Civil War officially ended in 1865. Visitors can tour restored buildings including the courthouse and McLean House where the surrender was signed. Park rangers share fascinating stories about the final days of the conflict. The grounds are peaceful, with walking trails that connect key sites. It's a must-visit for history lovers. Number 24, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Blends thrilling rides, live shows, and European-themed villages. Families love roller coasters like Griffon and Verbolten, while younger kids enjoy gentler rides. Seasonal events like Howl-O-Scream and Christmastown make the park exciting year-round. The landscaping and architecture add charm to the experience. It's both an amusement park and a cultural escape. Number 23, Cape Henry Lighthouse. The Cape Henry Lighthouse in Virginia Beach is one of the oldest lighthouses in the United States, dating back to 1792. Visitors can climb to the top for sweeping views of the Chesapeake Bay. The site includes the newer black and white lighthouse built in 1881. Historical markers explain the area's role in early colonial history. It's a scenic and educational stop for travelers. Number 22, Manassas National Battlefield Park. This site preserves the location of 2 major Civil War battles, First and Second Manassas. Visitors can walk trails across historic fields and tour the Henry Hill Visitor Center. Interpretive exhibits and living history events bring the past to life. The rolling hills and meadows also make it a peaceful place for reflection. History enthusiasts will appreciate the preserved landscapes. Number 21, the Mariners Museum and Park. Located in Newport News, this museum houses one of the largest maritime collections in the world. Highlights include artifacts from the USS Monitor, a famous Civil War ironclad ship. The museum's 550-acre park offers scenic walking trails and picnic spots. Interactive exhibits make it fun for both kids and adults. It's a fascinating journey through maritime history. Number 20, Monticello, the home of Thomas Jefferson, the 3rd President of the United States. This UNESCO World Heritage Site showcases Jefferson's architectural genius and inventive spirit. Visitors can tour the mansion, explore the gardens, and learn about the lives of the enslaved people who lived and worked here. Number 19. Virginia Museum of Fine Arts. Located in Richmond, the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts boasts an impressive collection of art from around the world. Highlights include Fabergé eggs, American art, and African and Asian works. Admission is free, making it accessible to everyone. Admission is free, making it accessible to everyone. The museum also hosts special exhibitions and cultural events throughout the year. It's a must for art lovers and curious minds alike. Number 18. James River Plantations. Along the James River you'll find historic plantations that date back to the 17th and 18th centuries. Places like Shirley Plantation and Berkeley Plantation offer guided tours filled with fascinating stories. The grand architecture and scenic river views make these sites picturesque. Visitors can learn about the lives of both wealthy landowners and enslaved workers. It's a journey into the roots of America's history. Number 17. Natural Bridge State Park. Natural Bridge is a breathtaking limestone arch standing 215 feet high. Once owned by Thomas Jefferson, it's now a protected state park. Visitors can walk beneath the arch and follow trails along Cedar Creek. The park also features a Monacan Indian living history exhibit. It's one of Virginia's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Number 16. Virginia Creeper Trail. The Virginia Creeper Trail is a 34-mile multi-use trail that winds through the mountains of Southwest Virginia. It's popular for biking, hiking, and horseback riding. The trail passes through forests, farmlands, and small towns, offering incredible scenery. The downhill stretch from White Top Station to Damascus is especially beloved by cyclists. It's an outdoor adventure that's accessible to all skill levels. Number 15. Arlington National Cemetery. This solemn site honors America's military service members. Visitors can witness the changing of the guard at the tomb of the unknown soldier. The cemetery is also the final resting place of President John F. Kennedy, whose gravesite features the eternal flame. The expansive grounds are peaceful and deeply moving. It's a place of reflection and gratitude. Number 14. Great Falls Park. Located just outside Washington, D.C., Great Falls Park showcases the power of the Potomac River. Dramatic waterfalls cascade over rugged rocks, creating a breathtaking view. Visitors can enjoy hiking trails and scenic overlooks. The park is also rich in history, with remnants of the Potomac Canal. It's a favorite day trip for both locals and visitors. Number 13. Skyline Drive. Skyline Drive runs 105 miles through Shenandoah National Park, offering incredible views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The road is especially stunning in the fall, when the foliage bursts into vibrant colors. There are 75 overlooks where travelers can stop and take photos. Wildlife sightings, including deer and black bears, are common. It's one of America's most scenic drives. Number 12. Richmond. Virginia's capital blends historic charm with a modern, creative spirit. The road is especially stunning in the fall, when the foliage bursts into vibrant colors. The city is also known for its craft beer scene and eclectic dining options. Art lovers will enjoy the murals and museums scattered throughout the city. Richmond offers something for every type of traveler. Number 11. Colonial Parkway. This 23-mile scenic drive connects Jamestown, Williamsburg, and Yorktown, known as Virginia's Historic Triangle. The route winds through forests, farmland, and along rivers. Along the way, there are numerous pull-offs for historical markers and scenic views. The road's design preserves a colonial-era feel, with no billboards or modern intrusions. It's a beautiful way to explore Virginia's early history. Number 10. Jamestown Settlement. A living history museum that tells the story of America's first permanent English colony. Costumed interpreters demonstrate 17th century crafts, cooking, and weaponry. The site also includes a Powhatan Indian village and fort. It's an engaging and educational experience. Number 9. Yorktown Battlefield marks the site of the last major battle of the American Revolutionary War. Guided tours and interpretive programs explain how American and French forces secured victory over the British. The Visitor Center houses artifacts and historical exhibits. Scenic driving routes take visitors to key points on the battlefield. It's an essential stop for Revolutionary War history. Number 8. Roanoke. Known as the Star City of the South, is nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Its iconic Mill Mountain Star offers panoramic views of the city and surrounding valleys. The vibrant downtown features museums, markets, and local restaurants. Outdoor lovers can enjoy hiking and biking on nearby trails. Roanoke blends urban amenities with mountain charm. Number 7. Blue Ridge Parkway. Often called America's favorite drive, the Blue Ridge Parkway offers 469 miles of scenic beauty, with a significant stretch in Virginia. The road is lined with overlooks, hiking trails, and picnic spots. Wildflowers bloom in spring while autumn brings dazzling foliage. The pace is slow, encouraging travelers to enjoy the journey. It's a bucket list road trip for nature lovers. Number 6. Shenandoah Valley. Known for its rolling hills, charming towns, and outdoor recreation, visitors can explore vineyards, caverns, and Civil War battlefields. The valley is framed by the Blue Ridge and Allegheny Mountains, offering stunning views in every direction. Festivals and fairs celebrate the area's agricultural heritage. It's a peaceful, yet vibrant region to explore. Number 5. Virginia Beach. Virginia Beach offers miles of sandy shoreline along the Atlantic Ocean. The boardwalk is lined with shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. Families love the mix of beach fun, water sports, and cultural attractions. It's one of Virginia's most popular vacation spots. Number 4. Montpelier. The home of James Madison, the father of the Constitution, and 4th President of the United States. The estate features a restored mansion, gardens, and walking trails. Exhibits explore Madison's political achievements and the lives of enslaved people who lived on the property. The surrounding countryside is picturesque and serene. It's a site rich in both history and beauty. Number 3. Old Town Alexandria. Old Town Alexandria is a charming waterfront district filled with cobblestone streets, boutiques, and restaurants. The historic architecture and lively atmosphere make it a favorite for both locals and visitors. The waterfront offers beautiful views of the Potomac River. Museums and galleries add cultural depth to the experience. It's a perfect blend of past and present. Number 2. Colonial Williamsburg, the largest living history museum in the United States. Costumed interpreters bring the 18th century to life through demonstrations, reenactments, and storytelling. Visitors can explore historic buildings, gardens, and museums. The immersive experience makes you feel like you've stepped back in time. It's a cornerstone of Virginia's historic attractions. Number 1. Shenandoah National Park, a natural paradise spanning over 200,000 acres in the Blue Ridge Mountains. It features over 500 miles of hiking trails, including a portion of the Appalachian Trail. Skyline Drive offers stunning vistas in every season. Wildlife such as deer, black bears, and wild turkeys roam freely. It's the crown jewel of Virginia's outdoor destinations. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 30 places to visit in Virginia. From the peaceful beauty of Shenandoah National Park to the living history of Colonial Williamsburg, Virginia offers endless adventures for every traveler. Thanks for joining us, and please like and subscribe for more travel adventures.